Ooh, 152 axles at a speed of 29 miles an hour. Okay. Good afternoon, everybody. This is Bradley here. And yes, we got some rain here in the forecast here. Doppler radar is now showing some rain showers in our area right now. Yep, this afternoon, everybody, we got a CFE RCPE train coming. I heard it's at a mile detector post, 156 axle, actually 100, somewhere between 150 to 160 axles at a speed of 29 miles an hour. Lead unit is 2086 RCPE with a CFE locomotive. Today is Wednesday, April 6th, 2022. Current time now is 4:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. It is 52 degrees with light rain. Yes, everybody, we got a CFE train coming. Let's get ready to proceed from Adams to Cole here on the main track here. Proceed from Fort Wayne, Indiana to Lima, Ohio here on the CFE main track. I'm at Washington Street Railroad Crossing here at milepost 287.4 here on the CFE main track here in Van Wert, Ohio. This is going to be a CFE RCPE train. This is an eastbound. This train is known as CFE-09. Proceed from Adams to Cole here on the main track. Proceed from Fort Wayne, Indiana to Lima, Ohio. Don't worry, folks. He'll be here in just about a couple of minutes. He's still probably still like about 2 miles west of town, but he'll be here in just about a few minutes. Oh, I hear him. Yep, that's RCPE 2086 with the CFE locomotive. So we're between 150 to 160 axles at a speed of 29 miles an hour on my CFE radio when it did CFE mile detector post on my CFE radio. Don't worry, he's almost here. He'll be here just about a few minutes. Just stay tuned. I do hear him. I can hear that horn. He should probably be right now at the Diamond right now by the signal. By milepost 288 here on the CFE main track right by the Diamond. Oh, there goes the flashing white lights! We got a train coming! Alright everybody, we got a train coming. Get ready to see from Adams to Cole here on the main track. Alright folks, here he comes. He's already at the diamond. Look, there goes the signals for Washington Street Railroad crossing. All right, folks, here he comes. Oh, I can hear him. I can hear the roar of the CFE train. Here he comes. I can hear the roar. I can hear the roar of the RCPE. Here he comes. And 2106 CFE. There he goes. Head to Lima. Ooh, I think this is a grain unit. I'm at Washington Street Railroad crossing here at milepost 287.4 here on the CFE main track here in Van Wert, Ohio. This is CFE RCPE mixed freight train. This is eastbound. He sent it to Lima. Once came all the way from the Summit City, which is Fort Wayne, Indiana. Yes, folks, this is an eastbound. He's proceeding from Adams to Cole here on the main track here, which means he's proceeding from Fort Wayne, Indiana to Lima, Ohio. Somewhere between 150 to 160 axles here on this train here. Look, there he goes. He sent it to Lima. Proceed from Adams to Cole on the main track. I'm at Washington Street Railroad crossing here at milepost 287.4 here on the CFE main track here in Van Wert, Ohio. This has been RCPE and CFE mixed freight train. This has been an eastbound. He sent it to Lima while came all the way from the Summit City, which is Fort Wayne, Indiana. Yes, folks, this train was known as CFE-09. Lead unit was 20, RCPE 2086 with a CFE 2106. This train was proceed from Adams to Cole here on the main track, proceed from Fort Wayne, Indiana to Lima, Ohio. Actually, I think that was grain and mixed freight right there on that train. Well, folks, I hope you're really enjoying that CFE and RCPE train. I'll see if I can get more soon, okay? Hope you all subscribe to my channel. Give it a like, give it a comment what you think about the trains on the railroad. Alright, well, you all have a good day. You all be careful out there. And all those railroad and weather spotters, you all stay safe. This is Brad here. You all have a good day. I'll see if I get more trains soon. Make sure you all subscribe to my channel. Give it a like, give it a comment what you think about the trains on the railroad. Alright, thank you. Alright, bye.